How to update Snapchat location. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to update or change your location on Snapchat, especially for the Snap Map, here's what you can do. You need to go ahead and update your location on Snap Map. For that, you need to open the Snapchat application, log into your account, and then tap on the profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right, scroll down, and go to see my location, that is under privacy control between activity indicator and family center. Tap on that, and here you will see the option of update location settings. Tap on that, tap on open settings, and go ahead and enable location in the app permissions. This way you can easily update your location on Snapchat. Keep in mind that Snapchat only updates your location when the app is opened. So if the app is closed, your location won't update until you open it again. And to make look like you're in a different place, you can install a VPN that can fake your GPS location such as Surfshark and connect to a server in the location that you want to appear in, and turn on the override GPS location feature in the VPN app and follow the app's instruction to set the fake location. So that's it for this video. Changing your location might break Snapchat rules and could cause problems with your account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.